Even the most novice contractors understand that there's all sorts of risk associated with construction projects. So what can you do about it? Well, of course, some risks are unforeseen. There's not much you can do about it, but consider the risk you can mitigate. If you catch them early enough, you can save yourself a lot of headaches and even some money. For that reason, let's take a look at some of the most common risks you can expect during a construction project, as well as how you can mitigate each one. Unforeseen site conditions. One of the most common risks in construction projects is the discovery of unforeseen site conditions, such as soil issues or difficult rocks once work has begun. Of course, unforeseen site conditions like this can lead to cost overruns, delays, and changes in the scope of work. To mitigate this risk is to include language in the contract that addresses how exactly unforeseen conditions will be handled. This might include a clause that allows for changes in the scope of work or even additional compensation for unexpected cost. Unforeseen project changes. Another risk is the possibility of unforeseen changes to the project, such as change in design or materials. In addition to delays and cost overruns, this can even result in disputes between the contractor and project owner. To mitigate this risk, it's crucial to have a clear and thorough scope of work and contract that includes provisions for potential changes in the project. This might include a change order process that outlines how changes will be requested, approved, and compensated. Labor shortages. Labor shortages can be a significant risk in construction projects, as they can lead to increased cost and delays. Consider how this risk can be exacerbated by factors such as seasonal demand and tight labor markets. To mitigate this risk, contractors should be proactive with their recruiting and may need to offer competitive wages and benefits to attract and retain skilled workers. In addition, you might want to remain flexible with your scheduling to accommodate potential labor shortages. Want to view the entire lesson as well as all of the other lessons included in this course? Visit heavyape.com